Juicing beetroot can be a great way to incorporate its nutrients into your diet. Beetroot juice is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Here is Rema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. So, in today's video, guys, we are going to prepare beetroot juice with a blender. Okay, and like we all know, beetroot is loved by many, while some people also don't like it. So it's very important that we cleanse it very well, especially when we want to blend the peels and everything all together. In this video, I am going to peel everything off because part of my beetroot isn't looking nice at all, and I don't have to include it in my juice. After this, we are going to cut the beetroot into blendable sizes. So if you're using a blender which is not that strong, you would rather want to cut it much smaller than I'm going to do right now. All right. And you also want to note that when you're juicing with a blender, definitely you will need to add some water to enable your juice or your blender to be able to juice very well or to blend smoothly. Once blended, you can strain the mixture and you can use nut milk bag or mesh sieve, and that is just okay. So at this point, if you're still watching me, I want to say a very big thank you to you, to my returning subscribers, to anybody who has been a support to this channel. If you're watching me for the first time and you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm as well going to leave some link for you in the description box that you can check those videos out, okay? And you're going to get a lot of information from my other juicing videos, which you are going to love. So if you haven't subscribed already, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on bell notification. I'll be glad to have you here as part of this Rema family, and you are not going to regret it. Okay, so let's talk about some of the benefits of beetroot. You want to note that it helps improve blood pressure, it enhances athletic performance, it also boosts stamina. All right, beet juice consumption may increase. It may increase stamina and energy levels due to its ability to improve oxygen utilization by the body. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and it supports detoxification. It's also good for the heart and also for the brain as well. All right. And beetroot juice also helps digestive health. They are good source of fiber which promotes digestive health by supporting regular bowel movement and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. It also rich in nutrients and it helps control blood pressure. So if you want any or more information, I'm going to leave links for you in the description box, and you get a lot of information from my other videos. All right, so today I came purposely for those who don't have juicers and want to juice. All right, so this is it. It's very easy to juice with a blender. Just get your strainer or get a nut milk bag, and that is just simple. Or anything you can use to strain. You can use clean napkins, and that's just perfect. Okay, guys. So at this point, I want to say a very big thank you to anybody who has stayed with me up to those points. I want to appreciate all of you and want you to know I really appreciate your support and all. So stay safe, be good, be nice, drink enough water, get enough sleep when you can. Until I come your way again next time, here is Rema Healthy Way. See you in my next video. Bye.